a little mini minor. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so cool.
And then that's your exit there.
Lotus. Isn't that crazy? Mm-hmm. Yep. Schumacher? Like that's not him.
Because he normally he's number 1 or 2, I think.
Yeah.
2 number 1s and 1 number 2.
Yeah. Okay. What's this one? Oh, that is big wheels. There's no tread on the wheels, so they glide. Okay, this is the.
And they'd know, you know what? If they live here, they'd know the roads really well.
Oh yeah, like we do.
It's
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. That's
go
1958. Yeah.
When is the next one?
I don't know.
We could come back for the Formula 1, and it's cooler weather.
That's from above. And then we've got all the Formula Ones. Yeah, number 5. Yeah. Are they the actual, they're the sponsors? Hublot? I think they might have the drivers' names on these. Do you think so? 2017, look how they start. Ay, ay, ay. They have no tread. See how they glide?
It's so low to the ground. Oh my god. It's so tiny.
And this is Bridgestone.
How do they even sit in there? There's barely any room.
Yeah, you wouldn't want to be. Yeah. Oh, that is something. That's like a Batman movie car.
Yeah, it is. It's like something you'd see in Batman's Lair.
It's a Mercedes.
Yeah, AMG.
AMG.
EQ. It is. Trick.
It's electric, yes. Is it? Yeah. I wonder who drove this one.
It's a F1 Mercedes AMG Petronas. 2007.
642 kilos. Now that is something.
Pilots Lewis Hamilton and Nico Rosberg.
Okay, go. Aston Martin. Wow. That's Alfa Romeo. They're long. They're really long. Oh, that's the Batman one. That's all black.
It's got like wheels.
Yeah. Michelin. Far out. It does.
It's really like a beast of
The beast of the...
Jeg følte meg igjen med mamma og se det der drive to survive.
I hope I'm focused. I can't see close up. Huh?
TVs.
Huh?
I like watching. I think, is that one of the guys?
Yeah. And if it's here. I know. Oh, it's this one. Michael Schumacher. I'll try and get the angle, the lights reflecting on the Ferrari, this one. That's it. I'm pretty sure it is.
Yeah, it'll be his because that's
Or that's it. One. Oh my god. I bet it is.
Yeah, this is Sebastian Vettel.
Okay. You just walk.
That's Sebastian Vettel.
Yeah. That one.
That's Sebastian Vettel.
This is Michael Schumacher.
And that's Michael Schumacher.
Yep.
And that's still Michael Schumacher.
This one is...
This is still Michael Schumacher.
Wow. His cars are just in
I
here.
don't know what this one is. But that's definitely 1, 2, 3, Michael Schumacher.
It's at least 3 of them. Okay.
Wow, I'd love to pop in one of those.
I know. Wouldn't it be so cool?
That's too boxy. I like the.
That's
narrow
very
one. I like
boxy.
the second one there.
Yeah, I like the Schumacher ones. They're the nicest. Have you noticed?
Yeah.
They got the nice shape to them. You're between 11 and 1. Yeah, that's really cool. And that's it. It goes on and on. On and on and on.
Yeah, so they're all the Schumacher's carriages.
It says Olympus on the
Mm.
sponsors. Do you want to switch?
No, no, go all the way. Go Got to do the finishing line.
This one's Sebastian Vettel.
Mm-hmm. I like that one.
That one's Michael Schumacher.
Yes. Michael Schumacher. Yeah. According to the little sign. That was also Michael.
That was also Michael Schumacher.
Mm-hmm.
Tells you something Hamilton.
Let's go boutique shopping. Yeah, I think we should. And they've got the nice smirk ones.
What outfits we have that we wear there?
I have no clue.
There's a
I know.
orange, I got orange is all right, but I wanted a bright orange for my shirt.
Yeah.
It has to be a summer outfit.
Yeah, it has to be. Oh, that color's pretty.
Oh wow. Oh my god, that's really good.
Oh, it is.
It's a Monaco collection.
Then you go the other ones here. Where are you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, they're cute. Look at the little cars.
Yeah, for traveling.
Oh, yeah.
Like if you put our own nail clippers on.
Yeah.
This will put, it might get good.
Look at the little, like... Oh my god, look at these.
I like these.
Driving. Drive in the middle. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. You're driving your car?
You. 1927.